When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do.
Hi guys! Would you believe na mararanasan ko dito sa Canada na magkaroon ng my own place, ng sariling bahay? Yeah! This is my own place daw. Believe it or not. This is my own place daw. Yan. Kasi ako lang ang nakatira sa buong bahay na ito. Oh, I'm not kidding. Ako lang nakatira dito asin. Sa buong bahay na ito. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Yan. Yan. Imagine that. Dito ko pala sa Canada maranasan yung gano'n, no? Kakabahay. Bit chilly over here. Kaya yan, hot chocolate. I'm having my hot chocolate.
All I need is you. Feels like I can make it more than I deserve. You gave all to me, so I can come closer to you. Take me in your arms and hold.
Sa akin lang talaga to. Ako lang ang nakatira. My own place, as in sarili ko. Sarap. Sinong gustong sumama ay sinong gustong samahan ako. Come. Living alone. Can do whatever I want. Sabi mo. So there. So welcome to my place. I will stay here at the Brandy. There is stairs. It's in here with coffee maker. Boots and a cute little sink in here, and then my washroom.
There's nowhere else to go. All I do is
Shower room.
feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all
basta.
that I can. Surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold. With your love,
Towels.
find my rest and I can see you
And
in me.
this is my
You
room.
make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew
Cute,
this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need.
Painting.
No one else will fill my heart like you do.
Cannot see. There, the
From
living
my rest
room.
and I can see you lead me.
There.
You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat.
There.
You hold my
It's
world
like an
again.
antique center
Your
table.
love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. You pull me out of deepest water so
There,
I
the
can
microwave
breathe again.
oven.
I dive into your love.
And you can
so
see the lake
I feel my
outside.
breath again. Whenever
Lake.
you will call my name,
Mini
I will
TV.
run to you. You give
Ayan.
me strength to
Very
carry
unique
on. Pull me into
boat
you.
shape.
You give my life again. You
Boat shape.
make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love could make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. Fill
Yeah.
my heart like you do.
And then a ceiling fan.
See what comes
Oh,
my
diba?
way, and I'm always lost.
Then,
There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it.
I will show you the deck or balcony ng
That I can
tirahan ko.
surrender to you.
Sa natin.
Take me in your arms.
There, meron siyang screen. Naka-screen door siya.
Find my rest
There.
and I can see you lead me.
Yan ang screen niya.
You make
Meron
me
din siyang
hope again.
itong screen.
Your love
Ah,
is
there.
all I ever
Oh,
need.
yan.
Never knew
Pwede nang buksan.
this love can make my
Sara ko din kasi
heart beat.
ayokong pumasok ng mga
You hold my
bugs.
world again.
So, yan. Ito ang
All I ever need.
deck
No one
or
else
balcony.
will fill my heart like
Meron siyang upuan. Dalawang upuan. Ayan. At meron siyang woven basket. There, the woven basket. Parang center table niya. So, yan, ganyan. Ganyan ang itsura nitong deck or balcony. Yan yung door papasok dyan sa living room. Ayan. Yan yung big cottage. So, dyan sa baba. It is overlooking the lake. Ayan, meron siyang bonfire doon. Bonfire. And then roast water. Ay, marshmallow. And chocolates. Yeah, and do that there on that side. Yun ang duck. Duck as in D-O-C-K. Yan sa lake. Ito yung mga boats. Yan yung steps pababa. Malalaking bato na ginawa nilang steps going down. There. See the big rocks in here? There, see? There's pine trees in here. Tall pine trees. trees. There you are. So that's how it is. So, ganyan dito sa balcony ko ng sarili kong tirahan for 2 weeks. Yan. Yan yung kapitbahay na cottage. Parang buhay probinsya, di ba? Kasi malayo, 3 hours away from Toronto. Dito kami sa Haliburton, Ontario. Diyan sa baba. Ganun din siya. Ganun din siya. Sauna sa baba. Diyan sa baba. So, ayan. Ganyan kaganda dito. Nakita mo yung lake. Narinig yung mga nag-boat. Boating. Yun yung dock. Katabi ng cottage na yung dock. Doon sa banda din yung so yan. Yan guys ang balcony ko. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Ayan. Ayan, tabla. Ayan o. Blinds niya, oh. Ang blinds. Kita ko dito. Ganyan siya. Ang blinds. Kahoy. Oh, there. Gumaga. Blind. Oh, there. Yan yung blinds niya. Ayan, kita pa rin yung lake.